Yes, Chris. This is a software part of our project, and this is a robotic arm. Here, hardware part of our CPS for smart factories. Here, I am going to connect using USB cable. Now it's connected. Now I am going to explain each and every component of this project. This is ESP32 we are using. This is a current sensor. This one is vibration sensor. Here we are connecting one vibrator to manually we are giving vibration and sense it through vibration sensor. Here it is a flame sensor. It will detect the flame and fire effects in the smart tree. This is a DHT sensor. It will detect temperature, and this one is a gas sensor. It will detect harmable gas, anything in a factory it will detect. Now we are going to connect the battery for giving power supply to the vibrator. Now here it will vibrate, and now I am going to showcase using my software part. Now I am going to log in using admin panel. My admin password is I don't say because it is secret. Now I am going to log in. Here we are including security alert also there, and we are using a voice output. So it's telling we are going to log in.
Critical vibration exceeded safe limit.
Here we are seeing that vibration. Here it's warning. It's coming. It's comes under the alerts panel. Here we are seeing that critical. We are vibrating the exceeding
Vibration exceeded safe.
We are seeing temperature is 34 degrees Celsius, and gas level it's 51 ppm. Here we are having small vibrations here, so we are having a 2 to 5 hertz vibration. Our motor current we are sensing, so it will detect we are giving 5 volts, so it will sense and give 2.76 amps. We are having no flame here, so it's safe level we are seeing here. And the important thing we can add employees and remove employees. Here we have 3 employees, so total number of employees we are seeing here present today is 3. Next we are going for a live sensor data. Here we can see the sensor data in a single dashboard, and we are including attendance also. There are 2 members here now inside the factory, so we are here seeing 2 persons, and 1 more person is here. Total 3 members inside the factory now. Here we are having 3 members present today. So let's go to next picture. Here we are seeing a robotic arm 3-dot monitor. Robotic arm, it will if it is going in an abnormal way, this like or this like, it will detect and come here. It's a abnormal movement or there. So we can conclude that there is a problem, and suddenly it will stop. We can start the arm by manually here. After the problem solved, we can resume our arm, so it can work as it is. Next we are going for the alert. Here we can see what are all alerts are came. It will show here, and we can see. So the final thing is a leave apply. For workers, they can apply leave here. If we apply our name and reason for leave.
Warning. Abnormal movement.
We submit now, it will go to admin panel. We are already in admin, so directly it will come here. We can accept means he can take a leave for the day. Here we are going to see about how to add the employees factory. Here we are going for the employees in dashboard. We are going to do add employee, and we are giving some random example. Here we are using the name Deva, so we are going to continue to the save employees. Now we are going to save the employees. Now saved. Now we are going to enroll our fingerprint. For check-in and check-out, we are using our fingerprint. So now I am going to enroll the fingerprint. Now he is
Warning. Abnormal movement detected.
Now the fingerprint is detecting in the dashboard. Now here we are seeing capture success. Now it's added, so we can save and exit we can. Here we are added a new employee in our
Warning.
factory. It's
Abnormal movement
Deva.
detected.
Next is a worker login. So we are now created Deva and his password is this. Now we are going to scan fingerprint for a login. Here we are showing. Now the capture is successful. So Deva is checked inside the company. This was the working model of our CPS for small factories. Thank you. Have a nice day.